In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Replit AI. If you've been seeing AI-driven suggestions or code completions pop up while you're typing and you'd prefer a quieter manual coding experience, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to disable those features quickly and confidently. Start by opening Replit in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to your workspace by opening any project you're working on. It doesn't need to be a specific repo. Any project will get you into the editor where the settings live. This is helpful because the options we need appear right inside the coding interface you already use. Next, look for the gear icon that opens settings. Depending on the layout you're seeing, this might be a gear in the sidebar or included in a tools menu near the bottom left of the screen. Click that to open the settings panel. You're aiming for your personal editor preferences, not just project configuration, so we'll go into user-level options next. Inside the settings panel, choose User Settings. This ensures the change applies to your account's editing experience, so you won't have to repeat it for every single project. It's a simple way to keep your environment consistent across all your work. Within User Settings, navigate to the section labeled Code Editing or sometimes Editor Settings. Different versions of the interface may use slightly different labels, but both refer to the same place where your editor's behavior is controlled. Take a moment to scroll if you don't see it immediately. It's typically grouped with other editor preferences like themes, fonts, and formatting. Now find the option named Code Intelligence or AI Code Completion. Replit may use either term depending on the feature set you have and the current UI. Both are about automated suggestions and AI-assisted snippets that appear as you type. When you locate the toggle, switch it off. The change usually takes effect right away, and you should notice those predictive suggestions stop appearing as you continue to code. That's it. You've turned off Replit's AI assistance for your editor. If you ever decide you want those smart hints back, you can return to the same place and turn the toggle on again. It's entirely up to your workflow. Some developers prefer full control over every keystroke, while others like AI assistance for speed. Either way, now you know how to choose what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.